Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're gonna talk about web development. For a start, let's answer this question. What is web development? A web developer's job is to create websites, while their primary role is to ensure that the website is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Many web developers are also responsible for their website's performance. We have three types of web developers. Backend developers create the website structure. With languages like PHP, Python, C#, and Java, you can build backend of a website. Front-end web developers work on the visual part of the website, which is the page visitors see, and interact with it, also known as UI or user interface. Full-stack developers do the both work of backend and front-end developers. These developers have the knowledge to build a complete website. As a web developer, you could work for a company or agency, or as a freelancer taking on projects for individual clients. Your task will be depending on your work situation, but day-to-day responsibilities might generally include designing user interfaces, writing and reviewing code for sites typically in HTML, XML, or JavaScript, testing web applications, integrating multimedia content onto a site, and troubleshooting problems with performance or user experience. Many web developers start their careers with a single focus, usually front-end or back-end development. Then they may move on to be a full-stack developer or explore careers in related fields, including project management, computer programming, or graphic design. Please give a like and subscribe to catch next videos.